Hey YouTube, welcome back to Redneck Tech. This is going to be a short little video. As you can see, I have my race pipe on. I like the sound of it. Neighbors don't, police don't. And I made a little muffler out of an Arizona can back here. Now if you have one of these pipes, or a YZ pipe, or a Zeta pipe that goes from down here and comes up and off the back, you can do this too. You can do this to any pipe that's not the stock muffler, any pipe that has like about that much width, which is about 1.5 inches to an inch. All you need is a hose clamp, some steel wool, and any, what ounceage is this? Any 23 ounce, 16 ounce can. And basically what you do is first you fill this, first you cut the top here. This is pretty sloppy, but oh well. I mean, it's just, yeah, whatever. But first you cut the top there and into 4 with a saw, or I use tin snips, which are basically just metal scissors for sheet metal or whatever. And a little medium-sized hose clamp here, clamped it on, and then you fill it to 1/4 full with steel wool. Don't leave them in the scrubber pads. Kind of separate them apart so you don't have too much back pressure on your exhaust so you blow your engine. But this works so good, and I'll probably be using this pipe for, I don't know, at least until this can burns or falls off or whatever. But it's kind of a fun little thing to do. It looks pretty cool. You could paint the can, obviously. Try not to paint the pipe because the pipe gets so much hotter than the can. You can use heat-resistant paint, like motor paint or whatever other paints you have that are heat-resistant. But I'll probably paint this black or just leave it like that. I really don't care what it looks like. It's just transportation for me, so it makes it sound great. And pretty soon here I'll probably have a video on what it sounds like or something like that. I'm just so glad, hope I don't jinx myself here, but I'm so glad that this motor still runs after that issue. But yeah, like I said in the last video, go till she blows. So yeah, that's about it, really. You can use a really small, like a 16 ounce can, or an 8 ounce, well, never mind, you can't use an 8 ounce because it's way too small. But anyway, you guys could just experiment around with this at home. And this pipe, I don't order from Bikeberry because I'm not saying they're bad, but they've never really had good service for me. I always do gasbike.net. This pipe was like $50. The Zeta pipes, Zeta, whatever you want to call them, that look like a dirt bike, two-stroke dirt bike expansion chamber that come off the side, and the pipe ends like right there, and it goes bananas around. Those are about $60, or you can get motors that fit the dirt bike YZ pipes or Honda pipes, whichever ones. But this is the stock, and you can just weld it on there too if you want. So once again, something to mess with. I just thought I'd give it a try, and I'll see you guys in the next video.